Hey, what is up, YouTubers? It's Cody Carpenter here from the YouTube channel Cody Knows. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, smack that subscribe button and that notification bell to stay up to date with all my future videos. And in this video, I'm going to go over 5 tips that you can start using with your Facebook ads campaigns with affiliate and CPA marketing. For this specific example, I'm not going to be revealing my offer, my campaign, or even the network that I'm using for this because it's all relatively new. I've been running it for a little over a week now and I'm starting to see some results. It's white hat lead generation. I'm a little newer to this, but I'm already starting to see the crazy potential that white hat lead gen offers have using Facebook ads. So we got that out of the way. I'm not going to reveal anything, but I will show you some statistics. So today is May 14th. Let me just refresh so you know that this is legit. So today we spent $46.50 and it shows that there are 0 registrations completed, but that's not correct. I actually have 1 or maybe even 2, no 1, but it hasn't came through yet. It just happened a little bit ago. But then we can go to yesterday, which would be May 13th. And we have 6 completed registrations, and the cost per complete registration was $20.99, and the offer payout is $50, so $300 in revenue minus $125 in ad spend is roughly $175 in profit yesterday. So yesterday was a good day, and then I'll just quickly go over the last 7 days. So 182 clicks. Amount spent was $452.86, and then registrations completed is 18, but actually it's 20. Two of the complete registrations didn't fire the Facebook pixel properly, so that should be 20, but you know, whatever. So that's $1,000 in revenue, spending $452, which is slightly over a 100% return on investment, which means put $1 in, get $2 back, you make $1. So that's just a highlight from the last 7 days. I have ran this offer before last month, and then I had some problems with it, and then I just started it up again on like May 6th or May 7th. So that's why you see all these that were paused. Here's my affiliate network that I'm going to not reveal. But in the last 7 days, as you can see, quick stats over here, I got 1,700 and 1,000 of that is from the Facebook ads campaign. So I'm going to refresh so you guys can see. Oh, I got to log in again. So you can see the clicks. I got 2 more clicks since I refreshed. 34 conversions. Okay, so those are the statistics on the new network. This is a pure white hat lead gen network. And now I'm going to go over some Facebook ad tips to consider when you're promoting any type of affiliate or CPA offer on Facebook ads. So here are the tips for Facebook ads. I'm going to get my pencil ready and then kind of just add on to the tips. Okay, so tip number 1, offer with pixel placement. This is so important because when you're starting to create your Facebook ad campaign, you can choose the objective. Oh, sorry, it's so hard to type on this or write on this. Your objective can be conversions instead of just like choosing the traffic objective. Choosing the conversion objective is so powerful because the Facebook pixel gets so smart as you send traffic to it, and then you can let Facebook decide who to show your ad to, when to show your ad, and all that good stuff. So having your Facebook campaign objective on conversion is such an advantage, and that's what I've been doing lately, and it's been working. So whatever network you may be a part of, you can always shoot your affiliate manager a question and be like, are there any offers that are doing good on Facebook ads? And are there any offers that allow me to place my conversion pixel on the offer? And I'm starting to see a trend here where a lot more affiliate networks are allowing pixel placement on the back end so you can optimize for conversions with Facebook ads. So that's a good sign, and I hope that keeps going. So the second tip is the SPY. So a really good AdSpy tool that I found is AdSpy. They're super good, and I want to say they're like $97 per month. Hold up, I'm gonna go check this. Okay, I just went to go check, and I paid $99 for the first month, and I think I did do like a discount, or I found a coupon code where it's like a percentage off for the first 2 months, so maybe it's like normally $147, but I paid $99 for the first month of AdSpy, and they're a really, really good spy tool, and I highly recommend them. So what I did is I found an offer that allowed the pixel to be placed, and I looked at the offer, and I even confirmed with my affiliate manager that it was a good offer to run. And right away, the next step to do is go on AdSpy, type in a few related keywords, and then just start trying to find affiliates that are running the same campaign. And the key here is, like, you don't want to take their whole campaign. You don't want to take the ads that they're using, the exact headline, the ad text, and everything. No, you just want to get ideas from it, and then get ideas from their landing page. Again, don't just swipe it 100%. You got to make it unique. So that's a tip with your spying. Number 3, audience insights. So for this campaign that I've been running, I used audience insights, and I found 3 really good audiences that I would have never considered targeting if it wasn't for audience insights. So that is a very powerful Facebook ads tool, audience insights, and I feel like a lot of people overlook it. It's pretty simple to do. You can just hit the drop down on your Facebook ads manager account, and then go to audience insights, and then you can type in a related interest, whatever you're promoting, and then you can just get a whole bunch of targeting ideas using the audience insights. So I'm just gonna put potential audiences. So that was a very important tip right there. Number 4, test creatives. This kind of goes off number 2 with your AdSpy. Don't just copy all the images that you find on your spy tool. No, maybe you could test a few out that you find interesting, and then there's a whole bunch of other ways to get creatives for Facebook advertising, whether it's paying someone to come up with creatives, going on free image sites and finding some unique images, and then even using your own camera phone and taking pictures of whatever. So be creative, test creatives, and once you do that and you find the best creatives, the best audiences, and then you can start to scale. So that's what I'm doing with my campaign now. I found the best creative. I found some really good audiences using the audience insights. I'm optimizing for conversions, and now I'm starting to scale at 20 to 30% per day. And I think right now my budget is $150 per day. And then tonight I might set it for like $180, keeping in that 20 to 30% budget increase, just so we don't mess with the Facebook algorithm too much. So I'm just gonna put 20 to 30%, and then you could do it daily, and I know some people also do it every other, so every other, and that's just up to you, whatever works for you. I've been doing it daily, and my CPMs haven't really been fluctuating too high. I think right now my average CPM for this campaign is $8, and ever since I've been starting to increase my budget, the CPM has stayed right around $8. And CPM obviously is the cost per 1,000 impressions. So those are 5 tips for Facebook ads. Obviously, these are broad tips, and I could spend hours and hours and hours going into every one of these. I hope that this gives you a fresh perspective on Facebook ads. And one of the most important things, guys, is having a great spy tool, so you can see what's working with other advertisers and then get ideas based on what's working. So that is it for this video. Again, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, smack that subscribe button and that notification bell to stay up to date with all my future videos. If you like this video, drop a like. Give me a comment if you have any questions. I try to reply to every comment, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.